I'm 22 years older than the average person who dies in this country, and it's been a pleasure.
In the dynamic realm of athletics, where records fall and champions rise, a centenarian has emerged, not as a spectator, but as a record breaker. Meet Mike Freemont, the 101-year-old, a vegan marathon runner challenging traditional ideas about getting older. His story isn't just about setting records, it teaches important lessons about living a long and lively life. He goes beyond the limits of time, not just over 100 years old, but also excelling as an athlete, overcoming cancer, and strongly supporting a plant-based lifestyle and environmental issues. His life is filled with victories in sports, facing personal difficulties, and a deep dedication to making the world a better place.
Athletic triumphs and world records.
Remarkable achievements mark Mike Fremont's journey as an athlete, breaking world records that challenge our usual expectations for someone his age. He holds 4 single-age world records, including the fastest marathon and half marathon for an 88 and 90-year-old, and the fastest half marathon at ages 90 and 91. At 96, he set a new United States record for the fastest mile in the 95 to 99 age group. Remarkably, at 99, he participated in the Kano National Championships, making him the oldest contestant. These accomplishments highlight not just his athletic abilities, but also demonstrate the limitless possibilities that overcome with age.
Early life and unexpected beginnings.
Mike, born in Cincinnati on February 23, 1922, started his journey with surprising twists. His athletic career kicked off at Yale University as a wrestler from 1940 to 43. However, World War II briefly interrupted his path, but Mike was sparred from military service due to asthma. This led him into entrepreneurship with his engineering business. This early detour paved the way for a life that would weave together athleticism, business ventures, and eventually a commitment to environmental activism.
Turning to running in times of grief.
My wife, mother of my 3 children, died when she was only 29.
Mike's journey into running began during a time of deep sorrow. At 36, he became a widower with 3 children after his first wife's tragic death from a brain hemorrhage. Faced with this challenging period, he turned to running as a source of comfort, choosing it as a more positive outlet compared to the 2 martinis he used to rely on. This crucial moment changed his way of life and became the starting point for his lasting love for running.
Health challenges and the vegan transition.
In 1991, Mike faced another challenge when he was diagnosed with colorectal cancer at the age of 69. Despite a bleak prognosis and the option of life-saving surgery, he opted for a different approach. Motivated by Michio Kushi's book, The Cancer Prevention Diet, he adopted a plant-based diet, whole foods diet. Contrary to medical expectations, 2.5 years after his diagnosis, when surgery was performed to address bleeding from the tumor, doctors found no metastases in 35 locations throughout his body. Mike credits his triumph over cancer and arthritis to his steadfast commitment to a vegan lifestyle. A typical day in Mike's life includes a breakfast of oatmeal with blueberries and syrup, accompanied by a side of beans, a reflection of his belief that an unhealthy diet and stress are 2 factors that can adversely affect health.
Environmental activism.
Mike's shift to a vegan lifestyle became closely linked to his growing dedication to environmental activism. His concern for climate change, sustainability, and the environmental effects of agriculture turned him into more than just an advocate for veganism based on health benefits. He became a vocal supporter, emphasizing the positive impact of a vegan diet on the environment.
Protecting Ohio rivers and beyond.
Fremont's commitment to environmental activism also included efforts to safeguard Ohio rivers. He founded a statewide river protection group and collaborated with government organizations, particularly Ohio State University, to highlight the economic advantages of preserving clean waters. Over 12 years, he dedicated himself to promoting the financial benefits of ecological preservation to foster positive environmental change. Mike's dedication to environmental causes underscores the impact of individual actions on broader initiatives. His advocacy for Ohio rivers and clean waters illustrates the interconnected relationship between personal lifestyle choices and more significant environmental concerns.
Athletic legacy and retirement.
Beyond his cancer diagnosis, Mike's later years saw the emergence of his competitive athletic career. Qualifying for the Boston Marathon at 83, he continued to run until the age of 98, completing 10 miles 3 times a week. An avid canoe racer for 6 decades, he founded the Elderly Paddlers Association in 2000. In 2023, as he celebrated his 101st birthday, he remained active, running smaller races and maintaining a 5-mile regimen thrice weekly.
Centenarian's routine and key to longevity.
At the age of 101, Mike's daily routine extends beyond physical activity. He strongly emphasizes a plant-based diet, evident in his typical breakfast of oatmeal, blueberries, and beans. More than just focusing on diet and exercise, his longevity is attributed to a desire to help others. Residing in Cincinnati with his wife, Marilyn Hall, Mike enjoys reading, especially about environmental issues, showcasing a comprehensive approach to a lively and meaningful life. Mike Fremont's dedication to a plant-based lifestyle, environmental activism, and ongoing physical activity presents a holistic approach to well-being. His routine, shaped by dietary choices, exercise, and a sense of purpose, highlights the interconnected nature of these elements in achieving a long and fulfilling life.
The power of a plant-based lifestyle.
Mike Fremont's story showcases how adopting a plant-based lifestyle, starting at 69 due to a cancer diagnosis, defied medical expectations and made him the oldest known vegan runner. His journey challenges common beliefs about plant-based diet, proving they can sustain and improve vitality, especially in later years. During an interview with Rich Roll, Fremont emphasized the importance of diet in shaping his overall health. Regardless of the specific dietary approach, the fundamental principle remains the same: providing the body with essential nutrients while maintaining a healthy balance of calories. This involves prioritizing nutrient-dense foods that supply vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds while avoiding excessive calorie intake that could lead to weight gain and potential health issues.
Key lessons from Mike's journey.
Age is a mindset. Mike at 101 challenges the notion that age determines our capabilities. His story encourages us to defy limitations and pursue passions regardless of age, highlighting the power of mindset and dedication. I don't think I ever became competitive until I was 88. For my age, I'm practically number 1. Prioritize an active lifestyle. Mike's commitment to regular exercise, including running marathons and doing pull-ups, emphasizes the importance of staying physically active for longevity and strength. Cultivate enduring relationships. Mike's long and supportive marriage to Marilyn highlights the value of solid connections in enhancing life satisfaction and contributing to a longer, more fulfilling life. Find joy in simplicity. Mike's down-to-earth approach reminds us to appreciate the simple pleasures in life, from enjoying nature to sharing laughter, fostering a positive mindset and overall well-being. Real life satisfaction comes from helping other people as much as you can, in whatever way you can. Live with purpose. Mike's story emphasizes the importance of finding meaning and purpose through work, hobbies, or helping others, contributing to a sense of fulfillment. Emotional well-being and relationships. Emotional well-being is crucial to longevity beyond exercise and nutrition. Mike's enduring relationships, particularly his marriage to Marilyn, highlight the significant role of social connections and emotional health in overall well-being and longevity. Research consistently supports the idea that fostering meaningful relationships contributes to a longer and more satisfying life. Unraveling the mysteries of a long life is an ongoing quest, and Mike Fremont's remarkable journey offers valuable lessons. His experience reminds us that a satisfying and healthy life doesn't rely on strict rules or intricate genetics. Instead, it's about balancing harmony, enjoying life's pleasures in moderation, staying active and involved, nourishing our bodies with wholesome food, and nurturing positive relationships. Let Mike's insights guide us toward a lengthy and vibrant future. Mike Fremont's life guides those aspiring to a long and meaningful existence in the intersection of sports, vegan lifestyle, and environmental advocacy. From his wrestling days at Yale to setting world records in his 100th year, Mike's journey reflects resilience, a health-conscious lifestyle, and a dedication to important causes. His journey serves as an inspiration not only for the older generation, but for anyone searching for a roadmap to a fulfilling and enduring life. What are your thoughts on the remarkable Mike Fremont? His experience proves the lasting power of the human spirit and the potential for a fulfilling life, no matter how old you are. Share your thoughts in the comments and remember to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Mike Fremont, the world's fittest 101-year-old, proves that it's never too late to embrace a healthier, happier life.